guys, we are now on our way to Accra. We passed the border. There was so much I would say drama, so we didn't have a chance to take any videos. Right now we are on our way to Accra. Our driver Fossey is driving now to try to get us to Accra safely, and hopefully we get there on time, that we can get some rest to continue our trip tomorrow. I hope that we can stop somewhere to purchase a SIM card, that we can get some internet. So therefore we will try our best to keep you updated regarding that trip. So far we haven't done much videos because of the business. We will try to shoot more videos during this trip in Ghana. So we spent one day in Togo, one night. We spent about a week in Benin, and now we'll be spending another week in Ghana to wrap up that trip. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, to share, to like, and to comment our videos. Talk to you soon. The next day, we decided to continue with our program in Ghana. We visited some of the streets of Accra. I will let you enjoy the view. I would like to let you know also, for those of you who haven't visited yet Ghana, if you want to visit Ghana, don't hesitate to do it, because especially Accra is a very nice city to visit. For those of you who like to shop in big malls, in big shopping malls, Accra has many of that, and some nice supermarkets there. If you happen to visit Ghana or Accra, the capital city, don't hesitate to visit Oxford Street, which is a very busy street where you can find many items like souvenir. If you travel, you want to bring, some gifts to family members or friends. On that day, our program continued. We went to the museum of Kwame Nkrumah, where I almost lost my bag because I wanted to take a picture when I arrived at the museum. I left my bag on the floor by a wall. After taking the picture, I forgot completely that I had a bag with me. So when I was in the yard while walking, I remember that I had something with me, and I became anxious until I realized that the bag was with one of my visitors, which is Jimmy, who was the only man with me in the trip, apart from the driver. So now it's the time to visit the Kwame Nkrumah Museum. I am now in Ghana at the Museum of Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah was a Pan-Africanist. He was, if you want to know more about his history, it's good to check Google. Go on YouTube. There are also some documentaries available for you to know about this guy, his history. He was at some point prime minister in Ghana, and also he became president. He stayed in power for 6 years, and then he was overthrown while he was, if I can recall, he was on a trip to another country. Right now, this one here, if you can see, it's his tomb is inside there. It's a mausoleum. His wife is also buried here. According to history, he was buried 3 times actually. Once in another country, second in Ghana in his village, third here. So therefore, if you are looking for the complete history of Kwame Nkrumah, you can find it either on Google, in a history book as well. So right now I am with my group. The people are there, as you can see. They are here visiting. Inside we couldn't take any pictures, we couldn't take any videos, but we are here outside now. We can take videos, we can also take pictures. So I'm gonna show you inside here, because inside here we can take pictures of the tomb. Here is the Kwame Nkrumah tomb. I'm gonna show you. This is it. Nkrumah, 1909, 1972. First, he was Prime Minister and then President of the Republic of Ghana. A great Pan-Africanist. So here is him, and then on the other side, we find, because his wife wanted to be buried alongside of him. So after the wife passed away, they bring her here. Her name is Fatia Nkrumah, née Fatia Ali Ritz, February 22nd, 1932 to May 31st, 2007. But for her, she was, and they call her our mother, the spirit of Pan-Africanism. You know, right now, there are many Pan-Africanists in this continent. So far, Africa needs to unite, but they need great leaders like Kwame Nkrumah. Anyway, we hope that we have other big leaders that will arise for Africa to get where it's supposed to be. After we saw this, now we will be heading to show you the statue of Kwame Nkrumah. It's a very nice statue. This is his statue here. Oh, you can see it from here behind me. Yeah, that's behind me. So this is the statue behind me. I am going to show you, to give you another footage of the statue. after taking some pictures in the courtyard, we went to the other museum where all the important Kwame Nkrumah belongings are kept. So unfortunately, we couldn't go inside with the camera to take photos or videos. For those of you who would like to visit Accra, don't miss the opportunity to go and visit Kwame Nkrumah Museum, where you can see some of his accomplishments, and also you can hear the stories and everything regarding this great Pan-Africanist. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment.